Hi everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. I hope you all are good. So today in this video we are going to do one more interesting question, and our question is all palindromic partitions. So this question is quite easy because we have done a lot of question based on palindromic concept. Okay, so let's try to understand the question first. We have given a string of length n. So one string has given to us and the length of that string is n. You have to partition the given string in such a way that every partition is a palindrome. So we have to partition our given string, and we have to partition the characters of string in such a way that those characters should be in palindromic form. Okay, so we have to break our string in palindromic form, and we have to break our string as much as we can. Okay, so let's try to understand it in more efficient way. Coming here, for example, if A has given to us or Nitin has given to us, so we are going to understand the meaning of palindrome first. So the meaning of palindrome is, if I reverse this string, similarly for this, if I reverse this string, I will get the same answer. So see, are we getting the same answer? Just reverse this string. A, I will get A, then B, then A. Okay. So see, we are getting correct answer because my output string and input string, they both are equal. That means my entered string is palindrome. Coming here, what we are getting initially, N, then I, then T, then I, then N. So is my output same to my input? Yes. So I'm getting the same output which I have inputted. That means this string is also palindrome. So now what is the demand of question? If I have this, I have to partition my string in characters and check are they palindrome or not. And I will start breaking my string from the prefix, from the very beginning of this word. Now I will check for P. So as we all know, every individual character is palindrome itself. P is palindrome, E is palindrome. Coming here, P is also palindrome. Now I will check for two characters. Are they palindrome? No. Coming here, are they palindrome? How I am checking? P is palindrome. If I reverse this, no. Then EP is palindrome? No. I am getting PE. That means these two cases are not possible. Now I have left with only one case, that is I have to check for whole string. So just reverse PEP. What I will get? P, then E, then P. Yes, my output is similar as my input. So that means this is also my answer. So this is the demand of question. We have to break or partition the characters of my string and check are they palindrome or no. If they are palindrome, I have to print my output. Okay, so I hope you have understood till now. Try to understand it in more efficient way with the help of tree diagram. So I have suppose we have given one string pep, and this is my answer. Coming here, initially I am going to take my prefix, which is p. I will check is it palindrome. So what will left in my string? EP only. This is my rest part of my string. This is rest part of my string, and this is the part which I have taken. Okay, this is the character which I have taken to check whether it is palindrome or not. So if I have taken P, what I will get in my answer string? P. Okay. Now coming here, before moving ahead, I have to check for PE, that is not possible. EP is also not possible. Then I have left with only one case, that is PEP. I will check for it. Is it palindrome? Yes. So my string will be empty, and what I will get in my answer string? PEP. Okay. Now coming here, if I talk about E, P will left in my rest part of the string, and E will also come in my answer string as an individual. Now I have to check for P, so this will remain empty, and coming here I will get P, E and P. So now I have nothing to check. You can see my word has finished here. So that means these two are my answer which has stored in my answer string. Okay, so PEP and PEP combinedly, these two are my answers. I hope you have understood till now. So let's try to code it now. And before moving ahead, let me clear you one thing also. I have given one function solution here where I will check the entered part of my string is palindrome or not. And where I have to check that this part of my string is palindrome or not, I will take one palindrome function there. Is palindrome function there? Okay, where I will check the character present at 0th index and my last index, that is 2. If they both are equal, I have to increase this variable and decrease this variable by 1. You already know this because we have seen how we can check palindrome. We will take two variables, left index and right index. Left index is 0 initially and left index is length of string minus 1. The length of this string is 3. And if I subtract 1 from it, I will get 2, which is the index of last character. So 2. P or P, are they equal? Yes. If they are equal, increase Li with 1 and decrease Ri minus 1, so that we can check our second character and second last character. Are they palindrome or not? So I hope you have cleared till now. So let's try to code it now. Coming here. So before writing base case, I have to take one for loop. If I is equals to 0 and I less than length of string I plus plus. Okay. Now I'm going to take one prefix variable here and it is of string type, because sometimes I am going to take one character to check is that palindrome, or sometimes I am going to take more than one characters. Okay. And here I will pass substring function and it will start from 0 to I plus 1. Coming here, I have to take one rest part of string variable, and what I will do, I will pass my remaining string in this variable, that will be from I plus 1 to end. And here in prefix part, I plus 1 is not included, it has excluded here, so it will check from 0 to I. Now I will pass my that function which I am going to write is palindrome and pass my prefix. I will check is the pass character or word is palindrome or not. If they are, just call this function and pass rest part of the string. Then in my answer so far, I have to pass this square braces. Why? Because this is the output format of the question. Plus my prefix, and I also have to close this square bracket. Okay. And I also have to pass one space, because you can see we have space between these two, otherwise I will get an error. Now coming to the base case, what will become our base case? If my length of string is equals to 0, then what I will get, system.out.println, and I will print my ASF, that is answer so far, and simply return. Okay, so this is my solution function. Now I have to write one is palindrome function, public static boolean is palindrome. Okay, I will pass string argument in that function. I will take one left index function and initialize it with 0. Then my right index function, and that is of length of my string minus 1. Coming here, I have to run my while loop till my li is less than ri. And I'm going to fetch those characters, and I'm going to store my character present at left index and right index in my left variable, which is of character type string.char, and the character present in my left index will come and will get stored, and the character present in my right index, it will get stored in my right variable, which is of character type. Okay, ri. Now if my left character is not is equals to right character, that means they are not palindrome, so we will simply return false. And coming out from this, if this condition will not get true, so I have to increase the value of li by 1 and decrease the ri value by 1, because we have to check for second and second last character. Similarly for third, it will go till n like this, and at the end I have to return true. Okay, so let's run this code. So we are getting compilation error. Okay, so let's try to fix it. So this s of string will be small. Now let's run this code. So you can see our output has got accepted. I hope you have also understood this code, because I have explained you each and every line of this code while writing. So let's submit it. So we are getting correct answer. See, prefix is my first character, then second, then third, then first two character till I plus 1, and rest of string is that part of string which is not included in prefix. Initially, if this is my prefix, so this will get stored in my ROS, that is rest part of my string. Similarly for this and this. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. That's all about this video.